In today's video, we are going to show you how to clear the cache in pCloud. Clearing your cache can help fix app glitches, free up storage space, and improve performance, especially if the app feels slow or buggy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account. Now, let me tell you that pCloud doesn't have a dedicated feature for you to be able to clear the cache. If you go to the settings, you have the account, linked accounts, security, encryption, notifications, and payment history, but it doesn't have the option for you to clear your cache. Instead, what you can do is utilize your web browser's security settings. Now, I'm using Google Chrome. You just have to click the three dots icon on the top corner and go to the settings right here. And then what will happen is you need to go to the privacy and security and then click the delete data, especially the history, cookies, and of course your cache. Now, you don't have to delete the browsing history, cookies, and download history. All I have to do is super simple. Just click the box that says cached image and files. All I have to do is delete data. It's super simple. Because once you've done that, what will happen is that clearing the cache may remove offline files, meaning files you save for offline access will be needed to download again, but it will refresh your pCloud's memory and it'll be responsive and a lot faster. And basically that's it for today's video on how to delete your cache here in pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.